Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken in 99 nights in the forest. First, you'll need to journey to the Sunken Grotto, a mysterious location found on the western edge of the game map. This area is often overlooked, so keep a keen eye out for its entrance. Once there, speak with the Elder of the Lake to initiate the Whispers of the Deep quest. This quest is crucial for unlocking the path to the Kraken. Before facing the Kraken, preparation is key. You'll want to secure the Trident of Tides, a legendary weapon hidden deep within the Serpent's Coil dungeon. Its aquatic properties are essential for this fight. Additionally, craft at least 5 potions of water breathing. These will allow you to stay submerged longer. Finally, make sure your character's defense rating is at least 150 to withstand the Kraken's powerful attacks. With your preparations complete, head to the Abyssal Trench, which becomes accessible after finishing the Elder's quest. The Kraken awaits within. During the battle, focus your attacks on its glowing weak points. These are its most vulnerable spots. Be mindful of its devastating tentacle slams. You can avoid significant damage by quickly moving to the outer edges of the arena when it prepares to strike. Persistence is vital. After a challenging battle, defeating the Kraken will grant you the prestigious Master of the Deep achievement, a testament to your skill. You'll also be able to collect the Kraken's heart, a legendary crafting component used for powerful enchantments. This item is incredibly rare and valuable. For more great tips and to explore other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the description below this video. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.